Or pwede rin, it's never too late to love.
Uwi na? Okay na?
Parang hanggang doon na lang. Wala lang, gusto ko lang magluto. Maging chef, ganun. Kung hindi ako artista. Pero gusto ko syempre kung ano ako ngayon, tsaka kung anong binigay ni Lord. I'm very happy.
Yan, no regrets.
Dapat simple lang. Gusto ko simple lang talaga yung mangyayari sa akin kung di ako naging artista. Maging house husband ako.
No, masipag pa naman ako mag-work.
Okay, enjoy the movie.
Okay, one last from each of them. I don't know how we can top that, but let's try.
Nag-lunch na ba kayo? Kasi yun na yung dessert.
Next question is, what was your favorite scene to film and why? Wala namang kissing scene yung pelikula. My favorite scene, ang hirap umarte ng ang daming nangyayari sa paligid. Lalong-lalo na yung ulan kasi yung audio, tapos nalulunok mo pa yung tubig ulan na galing sa Pasig River.
Wait, may ulan talaga or rain machine yun?
Rain.
Kala ko nakikita ng ulan. Ayan na! Ulan na!
Rain effect siya. Rain effect all day.
All day? Wow! Okay. Ikaw, sige sa'yo na rin.
Favorite scene ko, yun din, yung slow-mo na rain. Not naman spoiler, pero yung naulanan si Sarah, tapos binigyan niya ng payong. Yes. Tapos isang payo lang sila na maliit. Buti na lang maliit yun ang buhay ni John. Para masikip. Looking back at how does this project? Siguro this project stand out dahil si Pao. Yes! Ikaw talaga. It's a different rom-com movies kasi nakagawa na rin ako ng maraming rom-com, and eto talaga is meron siyang lalim, meron siyang drama, and nag-stand out dito dahil ito yung first movie ko na showing worldwide. So kaya nakita namin kayo dito sa LA kasabay ng showing namin sa Pilipinas. Kaya we're very happy and grateful for all the support that we've been receiving the past days.
You know how special you guys are? Carson, you're the only seat in the US that gets to see them. So give yourselves a round of applause. The other one, come here and join us again.
Okay, and again, thank you so much for making our LA screening a memorable one. This is.
You know how special you guys are? Carson, you're the only seat in the US that gets to see them. So give yourselves a round of applause. The other one, come here and join us again.
Okay, and again, thank you so much for making our LA screening a memorable one. This is our last na. Pang-9th screening na since 2 days ago. So maraming salamat seeing you all happy and beautiful faces and ready today. And dinala pa nila yung mga partners nila, mga hobbies na nadamay. Congratulations and thank you for supporting your partners. Mabuhay po kayo!
The husbands and boyfriends that had no choice to accompany their loved ones.
Yes, we love it!
I hope you get to have a special surprise this evening.
Alright, and that note, another round of applause for Kim Pao! Red ribbon for desserts. Thank you so much. Alright, Senior Mark team, you're ready to go. Thank you.
Look here, everybody. 1, 2.